So this is a quick video how to install Tableau Public on your desktop. So that's how you can do is like type Tableau Public in Google and hit on this link. It will be taking you to Tableau Public. So you have to sign in over here. If you cannot sign in, then you have to use your sign up process. So you have to make your account. As you can see, my profile is already created. So I'll go here and I'll click on this place where it will be asking me for another set of details. Roll and download the app. So once I'll hit here, so it will start downloading one file for me, which is this. So to demonstrate things quickly, I have already downloaded this, and it's very simple process. You just have to hit on that exe file, and by the way, I'm doing this setup for the window. So I've already installed. It's very simple. Click next, and it's done. So once you have done that, you have to go to your search bar. Let me close this thing. So search for Tableau Public and open Tableau Public. It will open this window in which you can see Tableau Public. So to demonstrate further, I'm exploring the Tableau Public dataset. So I'm downloading this Netflix dataset, and it's done. So let's go to Tableau Public, click on Microsoft Excel, next Netflix titles, and you'll have the Netflix. So I'll click here. I'll explain these things whatever I'm doing in further videos. So currently, just bear with me. So I drag this Netflix titles. I'll go to sheet and I'll start dragging things. So title and the date it was added. So it's here. Okay. So this is it. Now why I'm doing this is because remember we have created one Tableau profile. So now we are going to connect this with our Tableau Public profile. So we have to click save to Tableau Public as, and over here we have to give our same credentials. So this is before interview test 2. So once I'll hit on save, it will be saving these things on a Tableau server, which is Tableau Public server, and that is free. Now if you want to share this dashboard with anyone else, all you have to do is just share. Click on this share button. You'll get this link. Copy this link and let's test this link. I'm opening incognito mode in my Chrome browser, and there you go, your dashboard is done. So that's how we install Tableau Public in our Windows laptop. That's it.